Welcome to Mathenatic. In this video, I want to show you a skill that some people struggle with in trigonometry. So here we have 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine square theta. Now, the most common mistake that people make is they take that 1 and they rewrite it as cos square theta plus sine square theta. And they'll keep the sine at the top. And they'll also take the 1 in the denominator and write that as cos square theta plus sine square theta minus sine square theta. What they are actually doing is they're creating more terms in the numerator and more terms in the denominator. That is working against yourself because when we simplify, we actually want to clean up either the numerator or the denominator. So let me show you what you can do. So if we look at the denominator, we can see that 1 minus sine square theta is actually a difference of 2 squares. So let's say, for example, we had 1 minus x squared, and I ask you to factorize that. You would say that's 1 minus x times 1 plus x. And that's pretty simple to see. Now that's the same thing that we can do here in the denominator. We can factorize that as a difference of 2 squares. And notice that I can take the 2 terms in the numerator and write that as one term by placing it in brackets. That means that 1 plus sine theta will cancel out 1 plus sine theta in the denominator. And that simplifies to 1 over 1 minus sine theta. So I hope this helps you to spot some of the biggest errors that students make when simplifying in trigonometry. Thank you for watching. Remember to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to Mathenatic.